Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can install an SSD into your computer. For this computer I'm going to be using a Latitude E6400 because on here it's actually really easy. So it's going to be different for each computer, so read your disassembly guide or whatever you've got on your computer on how to do it. Now I've already got an SSD in here, but I'm just going to show you the process of putting one in and what you have to do. So first thing you need is a screwdriver. This is a small one. I think it's size 0 or something. And then you'll need an SSD. I'm just going to put this sheet down over there and another one here because I always don't want to scratch my computer and I'll lose the screws. Alright, camera back. Hell. Alright, now this is the hard drive bay, just where this flap is here on the bottom of your computer. You'll see 2 screw holes here and here. You just want to unscrew them. They're very small screws, so don't lose them. And they're hard, they can be difficult to get out, so I always recommend you have a magnetic screwdriver. Alright, and last one. Alright, now it's those 2 screws are out. Now you just grab this part here and you slide. Alright. Now for you would see most likely a hard drive, but I've got the SSD already in there. But yeah, you'll see a hard drive. Anyway, so now what you want to do is this little black part is on there. You just want to go around to the side here, there will be a screw, just unscrew that. Alright, now that screw comes off. And now you just push it down, push that off. There's a little thing there to hold it on that side. It's your screw hole. So that's off and it's with your screws, and there's no hard drive in here at the moment. So now it's pretty much you grab your SSD, start over again. Just for you, you'll need to install the SSD. Now since an SSD is thinner than a hard drive, you'll get one of these, which is an adapter, and you use adhesive. It's got a little tape on there and it sticks to the top like that. Me, I don't do that, I just slide it in there as well with it. I just don't want to stick it to my SSD. But yeah, you can if you want, or you can just like slide it in on top. That's what I do. I just slide it in to the hard drive bay and then slide my SSD in on top, so it works the same. Alright, so now obviously the connectors are on this side, so you have to put the cable, the door on this side. The picture side should be facing upwards for this, and you just slide it onto there. There's a little hole there, a little thing which goes on. There you go, that part's on. You just grab your screw. And tighten. Now you probably want this part to be quite tight, because then you'll get a rattling like that on the side of your computer. So make sure it is tight. There's still a rattling, but yeah, can't help that. And then your adapter would go on like that. I just leave it like that. I don't stick it because I just don't want to. But yeah, I just put mine on there and then just slide it in like that. So you'll have the back there. It'll just slide in and push in. There you go. It's not sticking out or anything. Now you kind of have two options. So you can put the screws back in, or you can have it hot swappable, which means that you just pull it in and replace it anytime you want. Now, for the average person, hot swappable hard drive doesn't really matter. For me, it doesn't, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this in. Put back in the other two screws if you don't want it hot swapped. Now, as I said, this guide is different on every computer, so it doesn't always work on all of them. Now you flip it over, and in your case, you'll have to install Windows. So, of course, you're going to have to get your Windows disk and go ahead and install it. Done. Now, all you have to do now is just put your Windows disk in, install Windows, and I'm sure you can install Windows. Just look on the internet. You'll have great guides to install Windows. It's really straightforward. And then your computer should just start up into Windows. Mine's resuming. So yeah. Anyway, I hope this video helped out. If it did, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button.